bringing in Arvind Sawant of the Shiv Sena as well. Arvind Sawant, why is it that there is so much of debate already happening? What we are looking at is public opinion. People need to have a say in the kind of personal laws that are governing them today.
My question to you and the entire media and the so-called people is that it is desirable, maybe desirable according to you, but insistence on it, aggressive insistence on
many times, it is directly in the rally also said, the country needs one civil code. All your religions should be confined to your family, to your mosque, temple, churches. Nothing should come on the road. Let it be any religion. They should have one single code. Common civil code is the necessity of this country. Then only the government can impose the rules, regulation, discipline, peace, harmony, everything will come in within that. All your religious rituals are to be confined to your families, to your temples, to your churches, to your mosques.
And to the temples. Yes, and so it is not just about the Muslims. It will include the Hindu laws as well, and if there are changes to be brought into that, because there are very regressive laws even under those personal laws which need to be changed. Maulana Qasmi, just want to ask you, have you gone through the questionnaire that has been put out by the Law Commission?
Yes, I...
Do you know there is a question in that which says, should uniform civil code be optional? So how is this a biased questionnaire?
Yes. No, uniform civil code and the parallel uniform civil code already prevail in our country. But are you aware of the Special Marriage Act? Are you aware? This Special Marriage Act has been enacted especially for the people who do not have faith in any religion. So being Muslim, Hindu and that, but how many people have gone through this Special Marriage Act?
No, you're diverting from the topic. My question to you is, there is a question in that questionnaire that has been put. 1 minute. 1 minute. Let me just complete my question. Today, the Muslim Personal Law Board came out and said that this Law Commission's questionnaire is biased. It already has decided what it wants to do. I want to ask you, what is so biased when they ask, should uniform civil code be optional? What is so biased when they say, should the practice of triple talaq be abolished, retained or amended? Now these are the three options. If you believe it should be retained, if somebody else believes it should be amended, why not come and participate in this question and this exercise that the government is doing? Why boycott it?
Being a journalist, you must be aware of the term in journalism, leading question. This is the leading question prepared by the Law Commission. Law Commission must have questioned the Indian citizen whether country is right to have for having the uniform civil code or not. At this stage, when our country is most and most needed the unity among the Hindu Muslims, and there is the conflict and the tension is going on the border, you are trying to divide the community, Indian community.
Nobody is trying to do that except you trying to threaten. Except the religious bodies who are trying to threaten that division. Nobody is actually trying to do that. Just going across to Arvind Sawant. Arvind Sawant, why do you think some of these religious bodies are already so anxious and agitated? Arvind Sawant, can you hear me?
Hello, are you asking me?
Yes, my question, Arvind Sawant, to you, why do you think they're already so agitated? It's just a survey that the government is doing right now to seek public opinion.
It is because they are put to disadvantages, not advantages. Disadvantages, and the female, the woman from that religion is being deprived of the legitimate right to live of her own style. She is being compelled. At least it is good in India, but abroad you see what happens with the Muslim ladies, what the ISIS are doing with the Muslim ladies. And therefore, at least for my country, that Hindustan, let us have one common civil code where the parity of law will be there among all religions. All religions, I am not talking it should be imposed on Muslims and others. What I am saying is that it should be for all religions.
Right.
And we do not say that all your rituals should not be obeyed by whatever the Quran says, whatever the Bible says, whatever the Gita says. Okay, you do it. but confined to your temples, churches and mosques.
Or uphold what is there in the Constitution, which is about our fundamental rights and right to equality and to a dignified life. Now
Yeah,
that is
and it
also
should
there
be-
in the Constitution that is now being used to quote the personal laws. Yes, I will thank both of you. I'm running out of time. Arvind Saman and Maulana Kazmi, thank you so much for joining us.